Okay, here is an extremely garbage quality builder fan thingy installed in a beach house. It is 52 inches with 5 blades, and it is all in white. Not sure in any way, shape, or form what the brand is. Could be maybe Litex, Harbor Breeze, I don't know. Really, I have no idea. I really don't care. I'm sure someone in the comments can tell me though. This fan is installed on a relatively high ceiling, so I can't really get that much closer to it, but I can give you a bit of a top view. Little tiny stub chain there. It is on a 4-speed wall control here. Max, high, medium, low. We'll start it off on low. And you can probably already hear the fan has a hum. You know, your cheapo spinner motor in that thing. And medium. And one other thing you'll notice is that there is next to no acceleration between most of these speeds on the wall control. Fan does an okay job in terms of airflow. Take it up to high. The hum gets progressively louder each time I click the knob up. This fan is installed in my bedroom and I tried sleeping with it on last night. Just could not do it. It was too obnoxiously loud. Oh, and it also has another noise. Not even sure what that is, but you can probably hear it. And then we'll take it up to max. And yeah, that is full speed. Absolutely deplorable. And I did check the pull chain, and this is high speed on the pull chain. So maybe the capacitor's drifting, or maybe this fan is just extremely poor quality. It is noisy, but it is doing an alright job at blowing air at least. It would probably do better if it actually spun faster, but nah, what are you gonna do? And I will turn it off there. And there you go, a rando white builder thing in a beach house.